In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an American Express gift card on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover how you can easily use your balance on an American Express gift card to buy games, expansions, and anything through the official Xbox or Microsoft Store. So first, what I would recommend that you do is that you visit your Microsoft account page and you try adding the American Express gift card as a payment method. You can do this process through the Microsoft.com website through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or alternatively, access the Microsoft or Xbox Store directly through your console. Now, this method might not work. Most people who try adding an American Express gift card are not able to conclude this process. So, even though you might be able to add the card as a payment method on your Microsoft account, when you proceed to checkout after you select any game, add-on, expansion pack to purchase, it is going to tell you that the card is invalid. However, before I talk about the alternative method, I would highly recommend you to try this just to make sure that it works or doesn't work in your region. If this method doesn't work and you are unable to finish the purchase, then the alternative that you have is to use the American Express gift card on any physical or digital retailers where Xbox gift cards are available. So one example would be Target, but you can also use your American Express gift card on other stores or retailers such as Walmart, Amazon, etc. Like I said, you can also go to physical locations if you prefer. All that you have to do is visit any of these retailers or stores and purchase the Xbox gift card through digital means. You will be able to choose an amount, and as long as you have enough balance on the American Express gift card, as long as it is properly active, which you can check by calling the number on the back of the card, you will be able to finish this purchase after you add the gift card to your cart. You proceed to checkout and you choose to use the American Express gift card as a payment method. Like I said, because most of the time digital stores such as the Microsoft Store will not take the American Express gift card directly, you will have to do this workaround. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an American Express gift card on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.